Hi, Jenny here. Today we are going to make a strawberry kiwi smoothie. This drink is packed with vitamin C and it will help you meet that recommended daily goal of the fruits and vegetables. For this drink we are going to need 10 ounces of frozen strawberries, 1 container of strawberry yogurt, 2 kiwis peeled, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, and some milk to thin it down if needed. We will now mix our ingredients in our blender. So my strawberries were 16 ounces in the bag. I measured out 10 ounces. Again, you can obviously add more if you want to. You might want to add more of some of the other ingredients then. I went ahead and peeled the kiwi and sliced them up. So again, you can use a peeler, you could use a knife to do that. Also, depending on how powerful your blender is, will depend on how small you want to cut your chunks of kiwi. We will go ahead and add our almond extract. Always smells so good. And then our yogurt. This container is 6 ounces. Recipe called for about 8 ounces. I thought, well, I didn't want to open up another container just for that. And again, I could put 2 containers in here. That would also work. So we'll see if this needs some extra liquid. I'm sure between the, the strawberries, it's going to give it the strawberry flavor. Having the strawberry yogurt gives the extra strawberry flavor, but then you have that yogurt in there that kind of gives it the nice creamy consistency. I like adding yogurt to my smoothies. So we'll get that in there. And like I said, then we'll mix this all up and see how thick it is or not. Sometimes with the frozen fruit, it makes the smoothies like really thick, and you might want it a little bit thinner than that. And then you can add some milk in there just to make it as smooth as you would like it. We will check it out though first and see how it is. Kind of part of it when you have the frozen fruit on the bottom. Sometimes it does get kind of stuck down there because it is so cold. It is so frozen. I do have the tamper thing that I could use, but that's like, well, don't really need to tamper it down. I need to mix some of this up, get some of the frozenness up on top. I think just because it was so thick, I'm going to add a little bit of milk, help thin it down. Except that's on top. It's all right. Alright. This is still super thick. It's almost like ice cream. I know you can make ice cream with the Vitamix. I haven't yet. My mom has. This is gonna give me give me that frozen headache type freezer, the throat freeze when it's always so cold. right, that looked better. I could see it all moving down from the top and all mixing up. So, it looks a little less frozen. A little more pliable. So, let's get this poured. Such a pretty drink. So there you have a nice, refreshing strawberry kiwi smoothie. It smells good, looks good. Let's see what we think. Tastes good, like there was any doubt. Very strawberry. Having that many frozen strawberries in there, that gives it obviously a very strawberry flavor. Don't really taste the kiwi. Maybe a little bit of the, like a tanginess, sourness. That could be the kiwi. But, well, there's the yogurt too. So the yogurt obviously, yep, gets it a little bit more smooth. The strawberries being frozen also adds that coldness, so you don't need to add ice cubes. I was wondering about that. I'm like, oh, do I need to add a few ice cubes? But no, when you have the frozen fruit in there, that keeps it cold enough. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave the recipe down below. Let me know if you like to drink smoothies. Weather is warming up here, Northern Hemisphere. We have our summer going on. We've been in the 70s lately. It's been warm, 76 in the house at night. I'm sweating. So it's all right. Open up the doors and it gets, you know, down to the 60s, 50s at nighttime. So before we go to bed, we open it up, cool it off a little bit. But so this is the perfect drink for these warmer days. Let me know what kind of smoothies you like to drink. And I'm going to go finish mine. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Hi, Jenny here. Today we are going to make a strawberry kiwi smoothie. This drink is packed with vitamin C and it will help you get some of those fruits in for your daily fruits and vegetables. Just recommended. Hi, Jenny here. Today we are going to make a strawberry kiwi smoothie. This drink is packed with vitamin C and it will help you get those fruits in for that daily recommended allowance. I don't know, one more time. Hi, Jenny here. Today we are going to make a strawberry kiwi smoothie. This drink is packed with vitamin C and it will help you get your fruits in for your daily fruit quota. I don't like that either.